What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Samsung Galaxy S23 FE with us and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, hardware specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. Just like the recent Samsung Galaxy flagship smartphones, the S23 FE also comes in a very tiny retail package that is also quite minimalistic. So on the front side we just got the name of the device and the picture of the smartphone showing its back panel and the color variant we got inside. Here we got the information that it comes with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage. The color variant is mint. The Galaxy S23 FE also comes in 128GB storage, but here we got the high-end version. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got our Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. Here we got a quick start guide, a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and there is a SIM card tray ejector pin. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, the smartphone, quick start guide, a USB cable and a SIM card tray ejector pin. So here is our Samsung Galaxy S23 FE in mint color. So let's switch on the device and we will have to go through the setup process, and after that we will have a detailed look on our Samsung Galaxy S23 FE here. So now the setup is done and we are good to go with our Samsung Galaxy S23 FE here. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, we got a 6.4-inch display with 84% screen to body ratio. So we got a bit of bezels all around the display. So we got the bezels on the sides, the bottom bezel as well as the top bezel are a bit too much considering that this is premium upper mid-range smartphone and considering other smartphones in this price segment. At the top center of the display, there is the punch hole where you will find the front facing camera. Right above it there is a tiny slit that works as the earpiece as well as the speaker. It comes with an optical under display fingerprint sensor as well. At the top we got the SIM card tray slot where you will find 2 nano SIM card slots. It does not come with the micro SD card slot. There is the antenna line, the secondary microphone. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, 2 microphones, the USB Type-C port, another antenna line. On the left side of the device there is just 2 antenna lines at the top and bottom, and on the right side we got the volume keys and the power button along with the antenna line. The back of the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is very minimalist just like the other Samsung Galaxy S23 series devices. So here we got the triple rear camera setup along with an LED flash. At the bottom we got the Samsung branding that is very well hidden and some regulatory information. The camera module rings are very prominent and visibly coming out of the back panel. So on the flat surface, as you can see, the device will wobble a bit for sure if you are not using a smartphone case with your Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. It comes with a glossy glass finish on the back panel that is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 that is also used on the display of the device. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE comes with IP68 dust and water resistance. So you got the flagship level IP certification on this device, and we got the aluminum frame on S23 FE. So overall, in terms of build quality, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is pretty solid in every aspect as it comes with great build quality, IP68 water resistance, a strong and durable aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass protection on front and the back. But it would be nice if instead of the old Gorilla Glass 5, Samsung could provide the Gorilla Glass Victus on S23 FE just like the previous generation of FE device. At 8.2 mm thickness, the device is not too thick, but it weighs 209 grams and that is a bit more for sure, especially considering that it comes with just a 6.4-inch display and a 4500 mAh battery. Talking about the display, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE comes with the top-notch Dynamic AMOLED 2X IPS 120Hz 6.4-inch display that is also HDR10 Plus certified with FHD Plus resolution with 84% screen to body ratio. The PPI you will get is 403, and because of that the display is very sharp. Even if I bring it so close to the camera lens, you won't see any pixelation. The colors are punchy, very bright, very vibrant, and the viewing angles are great as well. The maximum brightness can go as high as 1450 nits, so you won't face any issue in using the device in bright sunny outdoors for sure. As you can see, it's pretty bright here, and it will get even brighter in the automatic brightness mode. It comes with just two options for the screen refresh rate, adaptive and standard. There is no option to permanently fix the refresh rate to 120 Hz, but with adaptive refresh rate you can see it is still pretty smooth. So you will enjoy the display of Samsung Galaxy S23 FE for sure, especially while playing high-end games on this device. Our gaming test review of Samsung Galaxy S23 FE will be uploaded very soon on this channel along with many more videos, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. Now talking about the hardware and software, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE comes with Exynos 2200 in the international market and with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in USA. So once again, it would be nice if Samsung could provide the Qualcomm version all over the globe, as it is usually asked by the Samsung Galaxy fans. We got 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and on the software side we got Android 13 with One UI 5.1 out of the box, but soon it will be upgraded to One UI 6 with Android 14, and you will get some additional advanced features on this device. As you know, Samsung's One UI is pretty feature rich, comes with lots of options, and as I said, with One UI 6 and Android 14 it will be even better. So we will talk about all of these features in our later videos, because right now we got One UI 5.1 and Android 13 on our Samsung Galaxy S23 FE here. It comes with 4500 mAh battery with 25-watt charging. Even though it sounds like a bit less considering the other smartphones of other brands, this is the maximum charging speed Samsung is offering on most of its devices. But the good part is that it comes with wireless charging capability that is still missing on majority of the smartphones in this price segment. Talking about the camera, we got a 10 megapixel front-facing camera that is capable of recording 4K resolution videos at 60 FPS. On the back we got the triple camera setup that includes a 50 megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization and face detection autofocus. We got an 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. It also comes with optical image stabilization and face detection autofocus, and then the third one is a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. The primary camera can record 8K resolution videos up to 24 FPS, and just like the front camera you can also record 4K resolution videos up to 60 FPS. If you launch the camera application, this is the standard user interface you will find that you usually get on Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So we got the photo mode, we got portrait mode, video, there is more, and there you will find the pro video mode, pro photo mode, we got the dedicated night mode, we got the food panorama super slow motion that records HD resolution videos at 960 FPS, we got the slow motion hyperlapse portrait video, there is popular director's view and single take added on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE as well. So in terms of camera features and options, the S23 FE is pretty feature rich like the other Samsung Galaxy flagship smartphones. So we will see how good it's going to be in our detailed camera review of the device. We will also compare its performance with other Samsung Galaxy flagship smartphones like S23, that is the direct competitor of this device, and we will also make various comparison videos of S23 FE with S23 to see how much difference we are going to get and which device you should buy based on your necessity and requirements. So those videos will be uploaded very soon on this channel as well, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. So at the first glance, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is looking a pretty solid smartphone in its price segment, as it comes with great build quality, a top-notch beautiful display, beautiful design with eye-catching colors, and a high-quality promising camera setup. Few drawbacks are that the bezels are a bit much and the battery charging speed is a bit slow compared to other smartphones in this price segment, and there are some downgrades compared to the previous generation of Samsung Galaxy FE smartphone, but of course it comes with many new improvements and and advanced features as well. And we will talk about all of these in our upcoming videos of Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So once again, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.